Hey there, pool owners. Today I'm excited to introduce you to the Hydrus Roker Plus Robotic Pool Vacuum. This is a top-of-the-line cleaning device that uses advanced robotic technology to make cleaning your pool a breeze. I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. Be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. There's a link in the description where you can find this item. Let's get to the video. Let's check this out. Alright, so we did just have a massive windstorm with a lot of rain and everything. It blew a ton of stuff into the pool, but this is about as dirty as the pool gets, so this will be a great test for this little robot. So to turn this on, there's a little button right here on the bottom. You just go ahead and press the button, and then we're going to set it in the pool. Okay, now that the robot's on, we've got a beeping sound, so I'm going to go ahead and set it in the water. Let's see what it does. Like it's got a self-leveling feature, and off it goes. Look at that. Okay, so to retrieve the robot, you'll want to put the hook on one of your net poles, like this, and then you'll want to go down, and it's got a nice little hook on top of the robot. Grab it with that, and just bring it back up to the surface when it's all done cleaning, or when the batteries run out. It usually parks itself by the wall, and then you can pick it up. And then you'll want to bring it over to some rocks or somewhere, and someplace where you can actually wash it out. So you'll notice on the side there's a latch here, and there's another latch over here. You just want to gently lift those latches up, or you can lift the top off of it. And then we're going to rinse out this filter and take out all the gunk that's built up in it. So it's got quite a bit of stuff in here so far. Rinse out the filter, rinse out all the stuff, and then we're going to put it back to work. Got a lot of leaves. It's got a lot of strands of palm tree stuff in here. So we're going to take a hose, rinse through all this stuff, put her back to work. Alright, to clean it out, you'll just want to pick this tray up, spray it out really nice. Some of these stringy ones you might have to pick out a little bit. Get nice and clean. Filter, just clean that out really good. Got a lot of stuff built up in there, just clean all that out. Alright, get your robot all put back together and it'll be ready for another fresh pass at the pool. This just snaps back in like that. Your robot motor back on here like this. It just clips on. Now we're ready for pass number 2. Alright, so it's raining a little bit, but here goes round number 2. I'm going to put the robot back in the pool and we're going to let it go again. And off she goes. Here's how the pool's looking after 3 full runs of the Roker Plus Robotic Pool Vacuum by Hydrus. In full disclosure here, I did run the pool brush on the steps and on the shelf between each run and just push that sand and silt down into the deeper water where the robotic vacuum could actually get to it. But look at that. Not perfect, but oh my gosh. Compared to what I started with, so much better, you guys. Alright, let's go over the strong points of the Roker Plus Robotic Pool Vacuum by Hydrus starting right now. Strong point number 1, this robot is super easy to use. You just charge it up, drop it in the water, and let it do the work for you. Strong point number 2, this robot has really powerful suction. It can pick up the smallest debris like sand or even algae. Strong point number 3, as you just saw, it leaves your pool sparkling clean. Strong point number 4, this pool robot moves around with ease and it even gets around the obstacles. Strong point number 5, this little pool robot, it's durable, it's reliable, it can withstand the harsh pool chemicals and the crazy weather conditions. Strong point number 6, this pool robot has a long run time up to almost 75 minutes on a single charge. Strong point number 7, there's no cables or hoses to have to mess with this pool robot. Time to go over a couple of the drawbacks of the Roker Plus Robotic Pool Vacuum by Hydrus starting right now. Drawback number 1, there's no guided program, so this robot just kind of ping-pongs around the bottom of your pool, zigzags, and it's totally random whether it picks up everything or not, and that's probably why I had to run it 3 times to get all the dirt and silt off the bottom of my pool. So drawback number 2, this can get stuck if you have like a ladder or something going down into your pool. Now I don't have that issue here, but that is one reported problem. Currently, this robotic pool vacuum is running $269.99. There's a link in the description where you can find this item. Be sure and check it out. So my overall conclusion about the Roker Plus Robotic Pool Vacuum by Hydrus, this is an awesome product. It's not going to break your budget, and I would go out and pick one of these things up today. I'll give it 2 thumbs up. I'll give it 4 out of 5 stars. Not a full 5 stars, only because it ping-pongs around the bottom of your pool, and so it's random chance whether it's going to pick up all the dirt and debris on the bottom of your pool or not. But this is a great product. There's a link in the description where you can find this item. I'd go pick one of these things up today if you're in the market. I mean, check it out. So thanks for watching, and I hope you found this review really helpful. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. For more reviews like this, I'll see you next time.